Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to make this and they've watched somebody else's video and they cannot figure out one of the steps he does. So I'm going to just start from kind of like scratch. It's mainly about combining. So what we're going to do, we're going to draw a rectangle and we're going to make it something even like 2 inches. And that's pretty important because now we're going to rotate or scallop the corners 1 inch. That makes it completely round. But this is a 2-inch circle. So what we need to do is take a 2-inch circle. I've got my ratio locked, so it's only had to do one number. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Then I'm going to grab them all. I'm going to hit right to put it to that edge. And I'm only using the circle for a rotation. So now I can actually group it together and then you know what, I'm not going to control D it. I'm just going to go right here and put the center into the center of the circle. If I didn't do that, I couldn't find the center of this object. And I'm going to rotate it 30 degrees. And then I can control D and make a duplicate and mirror it. Well, that didn't work like planned. Let me back up here. And, let's just do it and we can move it. So now we're going to take this guy and it should just snap right to it because we got snap to guidelines on or snap to object on. I'm going to take my virtual segment delete key. I'm going to delete these lines. That shouldn't have happened, but maybe because that line is not perfect. But I think it is. There we go. Okay. Now what we need to do is take a 2-point line. There are nodes. Well, okay, let me do this. Always take your Smart Fill tool and fill it in, then nudge it over, and left click, right click, and now you have nodes right there. See that my drawing must have been a little bit off, but it's good enough. Let's go ahead and delete that. Whenever you see a lot of nodes, there's a reason for it. Yeah, my 2-inch circle must not have been perfect. So to do something like that, you could just take these and hit delete. And then do the same thing, probably on the back side. Yep. So that's part of the line, it just didn't delete. And those other nodes aren't really going to play a factor in here. See, these are the 2 nodes we need. So I'm going to take a 2-point line and go from that node to that node. And then I can delete this. I didn't get my virtual segment delete key. And see, I've got that shape. Now you want to take the Smart Fill tool and fill it in. And what that did, it made it all one piece where this is not all one piece. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center page, it really doesn't matter. And I'm going to left click, right click. Now, the person that made a video made it look so simple. And it kind of is, but you need to and contouring this is not the way to do it because it's basically a triangle and it will contour, but we don't want it to contour perfectly. So I'm going to, with my ratio locked, I'm going to make this 6.1. Whoop, I didn't make a duplicate and that actually was too big. So Control D and let's go 6.3. No, not enough. See how it's not really even? Let's go 6.2. And then Control D again and see how it's not even, but that's what we're wanting. Okay, his concern is, or his problem, is now he has to take, if you take this and fill it in with black, it's going to solid fill in with black. And so what he's having to do is take his Smart Fill tool, set on black, and hit every other line. Well, that takes time, and it's not the best way to do it. So if you will grab all this, and this is the step he's missing, I actually have a lot of older Corels don't have combine up here, but you've got it under object and combine. I don't really 100% understand why this does this, but now that we combine it, we can hit black and it does every other line. I don't really know, the real reason for it. And that is, it's an optical illusion. I really like it. Anyway, so if you have, let's back up here. And if you have an object, and newer Corels have a combine, well, I thought I had it all. We actually need to go to object, break the curve apart. There's the combine, or Control L. It's right to the left of your weld tool, or you can go to object and combine. And then you can make it any color you want it to. That's a pretty cool design. Anyway, I hope that helped that gentleman a little bit. Thank you for watching.